Hey everyone, welcome back. We are here working on our cart interactions. So I'm just going to bring these up here for a second. And before we just get started on checkout, we're going to refine some of these. So the little thing that we're going to do here is just make sure that everything is playing out as it is supposed to. So that's looking good. I think right here we can, show the icon with like a check. And we can rename this because we're not gonna, or we don't have to. I mean, let's see how it plays out. So let's go to our prototype. So we have our prototype. That's quick. So let's see. We only have it at 150, which is super duper fast. So let's do that again. Perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna add. That looks nice. And then we have this over here. So just making sure, I think I need to just put that on drag. Let's see. Okay. So we have an issue here. We need to swap the overlay. Beautiful. So let's go through it again. Now we have that cart pop up. Beautiful. Okay, and once again, we'll just swap that overlay. See, it's really easy to actually like mess up with this type of stuff. So I wouldn't be too hard on yourself. You can tell, like sometimes even I do it myself. So there we go. Click, boom. And that's looking good. And so you see our little button interaction, and then we can check out. So let's get going. Well, let's work on our checkout now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go here to our home screen and delete this one. Let's start a new flow. We can just call this one checkout. So this is exactly what I would do. Get all your flows out. Obviously, it's best to have them. It's obviously, I think, best to have them in different pages sometimes if you have a lot of screens, because you're going to have a bloated Figma file and nobody wants that. But I think you should definitely do what I'm doing, practice the art of just like having multiple flows. So if I tap this little cart and go like this, open overlay, we're gonna move it in from the bottom, nice and beautiful, perfect. And when I click checkout now, I'm gonna be brought to this screen. So this screen should probably just like slide in, no smart animate. If we go back, we can go back, move out, or have it move, or not move out, pushed out. Okay, so let's see what that's starting to look like. So I'm gonna have that pop in. Looks great. If I go back, pushed out, beautiful. Or not pushed out, maybe it's moved out. Let's see. Cart, checkout. Yeah, that looks beautiful. Like it's kind of like overlaid on top of the home, which is like the root. So we can do a bunch of stuff now, but if we go to pay, we can go and click that. And then the next screen is going to be, let's see. Boom. Okay, your order has been placed and you will get a shipping confirmation soon. Awesome. So that's our checkout flow.